The Hot Pocket Chop Challenge. Well, it's really simple. You need to learn all three versions of the Hot Pocket Chop and join them together as a 12-bar sequence and record it smoothly with a metronome. Let's take a look at an example of me playing at a steady and comfortable 90 beats per minute. A bit later in the video, I'll tell you how to enter and what prizes you can win. Let's roll the clip right now. For those people who are new to the channel, here are versions 1 to 3 of the Hot Pocket Chop from previous videos. The original Hot Pocket Chop lesson is up to about 44,000 views now, and it was the 9th video I made on this channel. Okay, here are all 3 Hot Pocket Chops. Okay, for the competition, you'll need to head over to nickbukeydrums.com and download the Hot Pocket Chop Challenge sheet music. It will be in the PDF list under the Advanced Fills and Chops heading. Now I'm going to play a medium version of the challenge at 60 beats per minute. I just doubled the metronome speed in the background, so it's really the equivalent of me playing the exercise as quaver triplets at 120 beats per minute. Okay, let's roll the clip now. If you want to see each phrase broken down really slowly, go and check out the individual lesson videos for each 4-bar section. Okay, let's talk about how to enter and what you can win. Number 1, you need to film yourself playing the Hot Pocket Chop Challenge with a metronome, no edits or cuts in the video, and you can choose whatever tempo is comfortable for you. Okay, number 2, upload the video to Instagram and tag me. Also send me a DM linking me to your video. The winner will get an email from me with the Advanced Sextuplet Chops ebook and a free online course registration for the Advanced Sextuplet Chops online course. And if you're already signed up for a course and you win, I'll let you have an Advanced 32nd Note Chops book instead. I'll also give away 3 Advanced Sextuplet Chops ebooks for people who put in an impressive effort, and I'll also share your video on my story. Okay, number 4, I'll announce the winner on my Instagram at the end of this month. So that will be Wednesday, the 1st of July. Well, that's here in Australia anyway. Pretty sure those instructions are clear, so like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and go and follow me on Instagram too. I'll give you one more look at my new channel outro that I made the other day to finish this video, so go and download the sheet music for all 3 Hot Pocket Chops, and I will see you next time. See you later, bye.